Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. This is part 2 of our series on the Oxford 3000, where we're learning the most essential words for fluent English conversation.
In part 1, we covered the first 20 words. If you missed that, you can find the link in the description. Today, we're diving into the next 20.
That's right. As before, for each word, we'll say it, explain its meaning, and give you 3 clear examples to help you use it correctly. Ready to continue, Anna?
I certainly am. Let's get straight into it. 21. Account. Our next word is account. This can be a noun or a verb.
Account. As a noun, it can mean a report or description of an event. It also commonly refers to an arrangement with a bank to keep your money there.
As a verb, to account for means to explain the reason for something.
Examples. I need to open a new bank account.
She gave the police a detailed account of what happened.
Heavy rain may account for the slow traffic this morning.
22. Accurate. Next we have the adjective accurate.
Accurate. This means correct and exact, with no mistakes.
We use it to describe information, measurements, or descriptions that are precise and true.
Examples. The report needs to be accurate.
Is this clock accurate? It says it's already 3 o'clock.
He gave an accurate description of the man he saw.
23. Accuse. Our 23rd word is the verb accuse.
Accuse. This means to say that someone has done something wrong or illegal.
It's often used with the preposition of. For example, you accuse someone of a crime.
Examples. She was accused of stealing the money.
Don't accuse me without any proof.
The politician was accused of lying to the public.
24. Achieve. Next up is a very positive verb, achieve.
Achieve. To achieve something means to succeed in reaching a particular goal, usually by working hard.
You can achieve a goal, achieve success, or achieve a target.
Examples. With hard work, you can achieve anything.
She worked tirelessly to achieve her dream of becoming a doctor.
The company hopes to achieve its sales targets this year.
25. Achievement. And following on from that, we have the noun achievement.
Achievement. This is something good that you have done or achieved successfully, especially through effort and skill.
So, winning a prize or finishing a difficult project are both great achievements.
Examples. Winning the championship was an incredible achievement.
Getting this promotion is my biggest professional achievement so far.
We should celebrate all of our small achievements.
26. Acid. Now let's look at number 26. Acid.
Acid. This is a chemical substance, often a liquid, that can dissolve other materials. We also use it to describe a very sharp, sour taste.
Think of the sour taste of a lemon. That's caused by citric acid.
Examples. Lemon juice contains a lot of citric acid.
You must be careful when handling strong acids in the laboratory.
Acid rain can damage forests and buildings.
27. Acknowledge. Our next word is the verb acknowledge.
Acknowledge. This means to accept or admit that something is true or exists. It can also mean to show that you have noticed someone or something.
For example, you might acknowledge a mistake or simply acknowledge someone's presence with a nod or a smile.
Examples. He refused to acknowledge his mistake.
You must acknowledge the sources you used in your essay.
She didn't even acknowledge me when she walked into the room.
28. Acquire. Next we have acquire.
Acquire. This is a verb that means to get or buy something.
It's a slightly more formal word than get. You can acquire a skill, acquire a company, or acquire a taste for something.
Examples. The museum has acquired a new painting by famous artists.
It took him years to acquire the skills needed for the job.
Our company plans to acquire a smaller business.
29. Across. Number 29 is across.
Across. This is a preposition or adverb that means from one side of something to the other.
You can walk across a road, swim across a river, or find something across the street.
Examples. The pharmacy is just across the road.
She sailed across the Atlantic Ocean.
A smile spread across her face.
30. Act. Next is the word act, which can be a noun or a verb.
Act. As a verb, it means to do something. As a noun, it refers to a particular thing that is done. In a play, an act is also a main division.
So, from the verb act, we get the noun action.
Examples. We must act quickly before it's too late.
It was an act of great courage.
The play was divided into 3 acts.
31. Action. Following that, we have the noun action. Action. This means the process of doing something, especially to achieve a particular goal. We often use the phrase take action to mean starting to do something to solve a problem. Examples. The government must take action to reduce pollution. His quick action saved the child's life. I prefer movies with a lot of action. 32. Active. Active. This means being busy doing things or being involved in a particular activity. It's the opposite of being passive. We can talk about an active lifestyle, being an active member of a club, or a volcano that is still active. Examples. It's important to stay physically active as you get older. She is an active participant in class discussions. The volcano is still active and could erupt at any time. 33. Activist. Next is the noun activist. Activist. An activist is a person who works to bring about political or social change. They often protest or campaign for a cause they believe in, like human rights or the environment. Examples. She is a well-known environmental activist. The activists organized a protest outside the Parliament building. He has been a human rights activist for over 20 years. 34. Activity. Our next noun is activity. Activity. This is a situation in which a lot of things are happening or being done. It can also refer to something you do for enjoyment. So a busy market has a lot of activity, and your favorite activity might be reading or hiking. Examples. The school offers a wide range of extracurricular activities. There was a lot of activity in the kitchen before dinner. My favorite weekend activity is going for a long walk. Number 35 is actor. Actor. This is a person who performs in plays, films, or television. Traditionally, a male performer was actor and a female was actress. But today, actor is often used for both men and women. Examples. He is a famous Hollywood actor. The lead actor in the play was brilliant. She is a very talented young actor. 36. Actual. Next, we have the adjective actual. Actual. This is used to emphasize that something is real or true, not just imagined. It stresses that what you are talking about is the real thing, not a guess or a story. Examples.
The actual cost was much higher than we expected. We need to know the actual number of people attending. The film is based on actual events. 37. Actually. And from that, we get the adverb actually. Actually, we use this to emphasize a fact or to express surprise or contradiction. It's very common in spoken English. You can use it to correct someone politely or to introduce a surprising piece of information.
Examples. Actually, I think you'll find that that's not correct. I thought she was Spanish, but she's actually from Portugal. Did you enjoy the film? Actually, I thought it was quite boring.
38. Ad.
Our next word is ad.
Ad. This is a short, informal word for an advertisement.
You'll see it and hear it everywhere. A TV ad, a newspaper ad, or an online ad.
Examples. I saw an interesting ad for a new car on television. She found her job by looking at ads in the local newspaper. Companies spend a lot of money on online ads. 39. Adapt. Number 39 is the verb adapt.
Adapt. This means to change something or to change your behavior to make it suitable for a new situation.
You can adapt to a new climate, adapt a book into a movie, or adapt your plans.
Examples. It took a while to adapt to the new working environment. Animals have to adapt to their surroundings to survive. The famous novel was adapted for the screen.
And our final word for this session is add.
Add. This verb means to put something with something to increase the size, number, or amount. It also means to say something more.
You add ingredients in cooking, add numbers in maths, or add a comment to a conversation. Examples: don't forget to add your name to the list. Add a little salt to the soup to improve the flavor. Could I just add one more thing before we finish?
And there you have it, the next 20 words from the Oxford 3000.
Well done for making it through part 2. We've covered some really useful words today.
Remember to re-watch and listen a few times. Why not try using a word like accurate or actually in a conversation this week?
That's a great idea. Thanks for joining us on Everyday English. We'll be back soon with part 3. Goodbye.
Cheers.